Every day you're fighting a battle. But this battle isn't against the world, it's against yourself. The doubts in your mind, the excuses in your head, and the fears that keep you stuck. What if I told you the real enemy isn't out there, but in here, in your own mind? The war for your success, happiness, and future starts with winning the fight within. Are you ready to face your biggest enemy, yourself? So, now that you know the greatest battle is with yourself, let's talk about the 7 crucial steps in this war that will lead you to become the best version of yourself. The first step is, the real enemy is within. The hardest battle you'll ever face isn't against anyone else. It's against yourself. Every day, your greatest enemy isn't the world. It's the voice inside your head telling you, you can't do this, you're not enough, it's too late. But here's the truth. The real enemy is not out there. It's inside. It's your fears, your doubts, your bad habits. And until you face this enemy, you will never truly be free. Second rule is, battle between comfort versus growth. You know that feeling when you wake up and the bed feels so warm, the day feels so heavy? That's your comfort zone talking. It whispers, stay here, it's safe. Don't push yourself. But comfort never helped anyone grow. It's easy to stay in your comfort zone, but here's the secret. Growth lives outside that zone. Every time you choose comfort over challenge, you delay your success. You fight this battle every day. And the truth is, if you want to become the best version of yourself, you have to choose growth, not comfort. Now, third rule is, fighting laziness and excuses. We've all been there. The alarm rings, and the first thing you do is hit snooze. You make excuses. I'm too tired. It's too hard. Maybe tomorrow. Laziness isn't a lack of ability. It's a lack of discipline. We lie to ourselves, thinking that tomorrow will be easier. But deep down, we know. Every excuse you make is a promise to stay stuck. And here's the hardest truth. Excuses don't get you closer to your dreams. They just keep you further from where you want to be. Now, fourth rule is, negative thoughts versus positive action. The mind is a battlefield. One moment you're filled with self-doubt, fear, and negativity. The next, you hear a voice telling you, you're not good enough. But you don't have to listen. In fact, you shouldn't. Every negative thought is a challenge. Every thought that tells you to quit is an invitation to push harder. The battle isn't about silencing your negative thoughts. It's about acting despite them. Because action conquers doubt. And in every action, you gain strength. Now, fifth rule is, consistency is the weapon. It's not the big wins that matter the most. It's the small, consistent actions that add up. Think about it. It's not one day of working hard that changes everything. It's every single day, when you push yourself even when you don't feel like it. Consistency is your weapon in this war. When you stay consistent, even when progress seems slow, you're building a stronger version of yourself. And here's the secret. Success is the result of compounding consistency. Now, sixth rule is, the pain of discipline versus the pain of regret. Discipline isn't easy. It demands sacrifice, focus, and hard work. But regret, that's the kind of pain that stays with you forever. Imagine looking back at your life and realizing you didn't take action when you had the chance. The pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts a lifetime. So when you're faced with the choice of doing the hard thing or the easy thing, remember this. Discipline might hurt now, but regret will hurt way more later. Now, seventh rule is, victory over self is true victory. This battle isn't about conquering the world. It's about conquering yourself. When you win over your own fears, your own doubts, and your own excuses, you become unstoppable. True victory isn't about defeating others. It's about defeating the limitations you've placed on yourself. And here's the ultimate truth. Once you win the war within, nothing in the world can ever hold you back. These were the all 7 rules. So the question is, are you ready to fight? Are you ready to face your inner enemy? Are you ready to choose growth over comfort, action over excuses, and discipline over regret? Because this war is not against anyone else. It's against the part of you that holds you back. And the real victory is winning over yourself. If you're ready to win the war within, hit that like button, subscribe, and join the journey of becoming the best version of yourself. Goodbye.